Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to encircle a letter in Google Docs. So if you want to encircle a letter in Google Docs, what you have to do is first of all just select the letter which you want to encircle. So as I want to encircle this A letter, now I have to select it and click on cut. Now what you have to do is just click on insert here, and here you will see drawing option, and under drawing click on plus new. And now you have to select a shape. As I want to encircle this, so click on the circle and make the circle like this. And now what you have to do is just click on the shape, just click on the fill and click on transparency. Now select it and under it paste the letter. So I have to use Ctrl plus V. So I have pasted the letter. Now you can larger the size of the circle like this and adjust like this. Okay, and now here you will see again fill, click on transparent. And now here you will see border weight 2x, and here you will see border dash like this. Here you will see border color like this, and now click on save and close. Now like this, and now you have to adjust it. So here you will see second option is wrap text. Click on wrap text. Now margin should be 00 mm. Move with text is fixed position on page. Now you can adjust like this. And you can also use some adjustment like this. So like this you can encircle a letter in Google Docs. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.